Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a cow. Let's start off by drawing a small flat arch for the top of its head. Then, draw two leaf shapes sticking out to either side like so for the ears. From the left end, add a line coming down with a bump inward at the bottom that curves around and turns back up for the head. From this ear, draw a line going out to the right that rounds down for the back. From the chin, draw a gentle S shape coming down for the chest. Then, a slightly wavy line coming down, a flat bottom that turns back up and flares out for its front leg. And copy that shape just to the left for the other front leg. Next, continue the line from the chest on the other side of the leg, going out to the right with a wave like so. For the hind leg, draw a line coming down at an angle, turning down, a flat bottom that turns back up, and a slightly curved line connecting back to this end here. Underneath the cow, draw a short curved line here, a small U shape, a line across, and another small U shape to finish off the udder. Then, copy the shape of the hind leg just to the left for the other leg. From the back of the cow, add a long, gentle S shape coming down like so, and another line right next to it to close out the shape. At the tip, add a leaf shape like so for the tuft of hair on its tail. Cows use this tuft of hair to swat away flies. Next, draw two big dots on the head for some eyes, followed by a curved line across the snout like so, and two small curved lines inside of it for the nose. At the top of the head, draw a small backwards 3 like so for some fur, and a short thin line down between the eyes to give it some more shape. Now we can add our spots. Draw some big blobs all over your cow. Yours don't have to match exactly. You can draw them however you like. Maybe yours has a spot on its head, or just one really big spot on its side. Finally, color in all your spots. And also, color in the bottoms of the feet for some hooves. And now you've got a cow. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.